Okay, let's do some further practice. Let's find the highest common factor of 4, 9 and 35. Again, we've done the prime factorization. So the prime factors of 4 is 2 to the power of 2, and the prime factors of 9 is 3 to the power of 2, and the prime factors of 35 are 5 times 7. Now this example is slightly different. So let's do what we normally do. Let's find the common prime factors with the lowest power. Let's have a look. Now we notice that 2 isn't common here, 2 isn't found here, 2 isn't found here. Okay, so we can leave out 2, but what about 3? Okay, 3 isn't found here, and 3 isn't found here, so 3 isn't common either. So that's not common, and that's not common. What about 5? No, 5 isn't there either. What about 7? No, 7's not in here or here. So it seems we've got a problem now. There's no common prime factor. So what do we do now? So basically, what happens is when you find there's no common prime factor, all you do, you say that the highest common factor is 1. Remember that that our number will always have, for example, 4 will always have 1 as a factor, so will 9, and so will 35. Basically any number will have 1 as a factor. So if there aren't any common prime factors, we can always write down 1. So but that's it. So the highest common factor of 4, 9 and 35 is 1. Okay, here's another example that's very similar to the one we just did. This time let's find the highest common factor of 2, 3 and 5. Notice that 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers, and once we've done the finding the prime factors will be just the numbers themselves. So the prime factors of 2 will be 2, the prime factors of 3 will be 3, and the prime factors of 5 will be just 5. Remember that we have to find, the procedure was that we pick out the common prime factors and the lowest one, but we find again that we're back in the situation where 2 is not common here, nor is 3, and nor is 5. And basically what we say is that the highest common factor is just 1. So basically that's it. Because the prime numbers they won't have any other common prime factor. We can just say when we have to find the highest common factor of prime numbers, it's just going to be 1. So it's just similar to the example we did before, but those weren't prime numbers. But here it's because there's nothing common here, and that's it. We just say because a prime number will always have itself and 1 as a factor. We say that the highest common factor is 1, and that's it.